Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friend we are going to talk about guys Samsung phone get the lock screen and unlock sound guys. How can we on and how can we use it? Friends, you want to on guys your lock screen sound settings. So how can you on it today friends? I will show you. I will tell you in this video guys. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel. Click the bell icon and like the video guys. So friends, now let's see how can we on guys screen lock and unlock sound in our Samsung phone device. So friends, open your phone setting guys. So after on phone setting guys, you can see this tab setting. Friends, click on guys phone sound and vibration. Tap on sound and vibration. Click on guys system sound and friends click on the last one screen lock sound guys. We will on from here. And then how can we use? So guys, you can see when we will lock our phone and when we will unlock our phone. So as you can see your background guys, this lock screen and unlock sound. You can use it. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching the video guys. I hope friends you understood how to unlock screen sound in our Samsung phone device and how to use it. I have told you in this video. So bye guys. Thanks for watching the video. We will meet on next video. Bye guys. Before going, please go and like the video.